Hey guys, this is AJ Info 101 here, and today I have the results of my very first giveaway. Now, the prize of this giveaway was this rare blue worn blanket. I know it's not valuable at all, but it's my first giveaway and I don't have that many subscribers, so when I get more subscribers, I will give away something more valuable. Okay, so before I announce the winner, I just want to say I am so sorry to everybody who entered and did not win. I am terribly sorry. I looked at all your responses, all of them, personally, and I wanted you all to win, but I'm so sorry. I couldn't actually choose. I chose at random. So just remember that, and please no hate. I just chose at random, and I wanted you all to win. Okay, so I'm actually going to go to this person's den because I know they're online, and I'm going to surprise them. Okay, here I go. Okay. Alright, so right here, that is the winner. Alright. I came to say okay, I guess this person is really happy. I am yeah. So the winner was CoolCat0988. Congratulations. Yeah, but seriously, I really liked all of these responses, and seriously, I wanted you all to win. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna send the prize to CoolCat0988. Here we go. Rare worn blanket. Oh, somebody's trying to trade me in the middle of this. Okay. Thanks for... Oh gosh, I can't even say sub. I'm trying to say thanks for subscribing. Oh my gosh. Chatmagrams are ridiculous. Anyways, thanks for... yeah, I can say enter. Thanks for entering. I loved your, reason. Okay. There we go. I sent it. I'm just gonna say congrats. I really loved your reason. Lemon Lime 92. Wow, that's actually weirdly really close to my username. Alright. Okay. I'm just gonna say I'm recording. By the way. The video will be up today. Congratulations once again. Thanks for sub and all. It was awesome meeting. Sorry, this is taking a while actually. Wow, this video is taking forever. Sorry. Okay. Alright, well, that concludes my first ever giveaway. Hopefully if I get some more subscribers, I will be having another one. And I just want to say, like, I got like 5 new subscribers last night. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I have like 21 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you all so much for your support. And like, oh my gosh, this is like crazy. Thank you guys. I can't thank you enough. Like, I love all my subscribers. I really do. Okay. Just blows my mind. Okay, I guess that's all I wanted to say. So until next time, bye.